though we know you are busy and others have chosen to be absent from work, you still came and tried to come here to our special day. I just want you to know that our hearts are very happy and full of joy. Thank you po, Tita Olive, sa suporta. Wala po ako dito kung hindi niyo po ako pinapunta dito. Hindi ko makikilala si Ace kung hindi po ako napunta. Ang dami ko sinasabi, pero rock and roll.
Sa amin pong mga magulang na patuloy pong sumusuporta sa amin, Ma, nandiyan ka man sa Pinas, pangako ko sa'yo, iingatan ko si Micah. Yung po kasi yung turo sa akin ng nanay ko eh. Na iingatan ko kung sino man yung mapapangasawa ko.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.